polio. Almost gone, right? But we are still in danger. Imagine a small child who was perfectly normal and within few hours cannot walk forever. This is polio. We almost removed it from India. But are we really safe? Let's understand. I'll give you a simple introduction. Many people think polio is completely gone. Yes, India became polio free in 2014 with the help from World Health Organization. But the truth is still exists in some parts of the world. So the risk is not zero. That's why awareness is still very important. I'll simply explain you what is polio. Polio is an infection caused by a virus. It mainly affects small children. It spreads through dirty water, uncleaned food, poor hygiene. For example, if a child eats food without washing hands or drinks some contaminated water, the virus can enter the body. So, what happened next? In many cases, nothing serious happens. The child may get mild fever. But in some cases, the virus attacks the nerves. Muscles become weak. The child cannot move hands or legs. The most dangerous part is once paralysis happens, it is usually permanent. There are few types. I'll explain you it in a very simple way. It usually is of three types. One is that patient might not develop symptoms. Patient looks normal but can spread infection. In mild illness, fever, body pains are common. But in severe polio, paralysis happen and cannot walk or move forever. I'll explain you why children are risk. Okay, children are under 5 years are most affected because their immunity is still developing. They play outside, hygiene may be improper. That's why vaccination focus mainly on children. Vaccine, right? The most important part. The good news is polio can be prevented easily. You might have seen health workers giving 2 drops in mouth. This is polio vaccine. Also, there is an injection vaccine given in hospitals. A simple message is just 2 drops save a child from lifelong disability. So, never skip vaccination. I'll tell you the globalization, okay? Polio is almost gone in most of the countries, but still present in few places like Pakistan, Afghanistan and few other countries. People travel between countries so the virus can spread again. That's why we cannot relax. In Indian story, earlier India had thousands of polio cases every year. But because of this government campaigns, door-to-door vaccination and public awareness, India became polio-free in 2014. This is a big success, right? But why risk is still there, I'll explain you clearly. Even now, polio can come back if people stop vaccination. Parents ignore polio drops or like poor hygiene continues and because of some lack of awareness. One missed child can become a risk for many. So, how to protect this? Very simple steps. Give all vaccines to children on time. Maintain cleanliness. Drink safe water. Support government vaccination programs. The conclusion is that polio is almost gone, but it can return. So, to prevent it, 2 drops is enough to protect the child's future.